Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English communication together. Today we're diving into something incredibly practical, talking about preferences and hobbies in English. This topic forms the foundation of countless everyday conversations you'll have with native speakers. Understanding how to express what you like or dislike opens doors to genuine connections. The podcast transcript we're examining offers beginner learners essential tools for these important discussions. Let me break down why mastering this skill matters so much for your journey. If you enjoy learning English with clear explanations, please subscribe and like this video. Now let's explore the core patterns that make expressing preferences both natural and effortless. The transcript introduces 3 key verbs, like, enjoy, and love, for describing preferences. Each verb works with 2 different grammatical structures that learners must understand completely. You can say, I like to read, or I like reading, with identical meanings. Both forms appear frequently in native speaker conversations, so knowing both increases your fluency. The gerund form, using the verb plus ing, often sounds slightly more natural. However, the infinitive form with to also remains perfectly acceptable in all situations. Tell me in the comments which form feels more comfortable for you personally. The hosts cleverly use everyday activities like reading, walking, and cooking to demonstrate usage. These relatable examples help beginners remember the patterns through practical, memorable contexts significantly. Moving through the transcript, we see how these verbs apply across different activity types. Music, movies, sports, and travel all become topics for practicing preference expressions effectively. The beauty lies in the pattern's flexibility. Replace the activity and the structure works. I love listening to jazz. I enjoy watching documentaries. I like playing tennis. Each sentence follows the exact same grammatical blueprint, but communicates completely different personal interests. This consistency makes learning easier because you're essentially mastering one pattern with unlimited applications. For those who haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and like this video now. The negative form receives important attention too. I don't like waking up early. Perfectly clearly. Around the middle section, the transcript addresses a particularly useful aspirational phrase, I would love. This construction lets speakers discuss activities they haven't tried but find genuinely appealing hypothetically. I would love to visit Japan. Expresses desire without claiming actual plans or experience. Native speakers use this phrase constantly when discussing dreams, goals, and future possibilities gracefully. It's softer than I want, more enthusiastic than I'd like, striking perfect balance. The conditional would adds politeness and removes any sense of demanding or expecting something. Understanding these subtle distinctions between similar phrases elevates your English from basic to sophisticated. I'd really appreciate if you share in the comments what you would love to do. The transcript also covers frequency and intensity, helping learners express not just preferences but strength. The pedagogical approach throughout the podcast demonstrates excellent teaching methodology for language acquisition fundamentals. Rather than overwhelming learners with complex grammar terminology, the hosts use abundant examples naturally. This inductive learning style lets patterns emerge organically through repetition and varied contextual usage. Students absorb the rules subconsciously before explicitly learning them, which mirrors natural acquisition. The conversational format between hosts creates an authentic listening environment that textbooks cannot replicate. Learners hear natural rhythm, intonation, and the casual flow that characterizes real English interactions. This exposure proves invaluable because classroom English often sounds artificially formal or stilted. Please leave detailed comments about which example resonated most strongly with you today. The summary section reinforces everything covered, providing learners with a clear reference point. Key phrases get repeated. I like, I enjoy, I love, I don't like, I would love. This repetition cements the patterns in memory through the psychological principle of spaced exposure. The hosts encourage active practice, not just passive listening. which accelerates learning dramatically. Language acquisition requires production, not merely comprehension, to achieve true fluency and confidence. Speaking or writing these phrases yourself creates neural pathways that listening alone cannot establish. The invitation to comment serves dual purposes: community engagement and practical application simultaneously. In conclusion, this podcast transcript offers beginner learners a solid foundation for discussing preferences. The combination of clear patterns, relatable examples, and conversational delivery creates effective learning conditions. Mastering these structures allows learners to participate in countless everyday English conversations with confidence. From discussing weekend plans to sharing cultural interests, these phrases prove essential repeatedly. The simplicity of the patterns belies their profound communicative power in building relationships. Remember that fluency develops through consistent practice, not perfection. So start using these today. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. What hobbies do you love, and which activities don't you enjoy at all? Share your answers in the comments below right now.